The topic is destructor. We are already familiar with the constructors. Now let us learn about destructor, what these are. So for explanation, I will take one simple class. Let us take one class called test, and inside this public I will write one constructor test, and here I will say cout test created. So I have written a constructor. We know very well that whenever we are creating an object of class test, that function will be called, right? That function will be called inside main function. Suppose I am creating an object of that one, this function will be called. So what will be displayed? Test created will be displayed. Now next, apart from other functions, I can write one more function that is same as class name, just like constructor. Only the difference is here before the function name tilde is used, right? A symbol tilde is used. So this tilde resembles, it's a destructor. So inside this I will write on a message that is cout test destroyed. Now when this function is called, when the object is destroyed. So do you know when the object is destroyed, once the function ends, automatically this object is destroyed. So this function will be called test destroyed will be displayed. So constructor is called when the object is created, destructor is called when the object is destroyed. Now I'll show you one more thing. See, instead of creating an object like this, I will take a pointer and I will say new test. So I'm creating an object dynamically. Now here at the end of a main function, I will say delete p. Now you can see that when I am creating an object by saying new test, constructor will be called, this function will be called. And when I am saying delete, then destructor, this function will be called. So constructor is called when an object is created, and the destructor is called when the object is destroyed. If an object is created dynamically, then it should also be deleted when not required. So when you say delete, then this destructor function will be called. Now let us see what is the use of destructor. See, constructor is used for initialization purpose. We know this. Then one more usage of constructor, that is, it is used for allocating resources. Then what is the use of destructor? It is used for deallocating resources, releasing the resources. We don't have to deinitialize. We have to deallocate the resources. Which type of resources? External things. When you are acquiring any external things like heap memory, file, network connection, these are all external resources. If anything, if your class is acquiring, then the constructor, then it should release in the destructor. So I will simply write down some syntax here to show you what can be done in constructor, what is done in destructor. Let us see. Let us take an example class. Class name I am giving test only. Now here I have a pointer p. Now there is a function test, that is constructor, and this p is allocating some memory dynamically on the heap. Then inside a destructor I must delete this memory. I must delete this memory, otherwise this will cause memory leak problem, like memory is not released. Already I have discussed memory leak problem. This must be deleted. Now if suppose I have file input stream file, then here if I am saying file input stream open some file, let us say my.txt, then here I must close that file input stream dot close. So you can see the code here. Inside the constructor memory is allocated, inside the constructor file is open. So inside the destructor memory should be deallocated, inside the destructor file should be closed. So that's how, this is an example where you can see constructor is used for acquiring resources and the destructor is used for releasing resources. So then more about destructor. Can we overload a constructor? Can we have multiple constructors? Yes. Can you have multiple destructors? No. Can a constructor return anything? No. Can a destructor return anything? No. All the rules of constructors are followed on destructor also, except that it cannot be overloaded. You cannot have multiple destructors. You should have only one destructor for a class. Then one more thing, a destructor can be virtual also. So let us try this thing first, then I'll show you more about destructors in the next video.